Welcome to the new story, The Talking Teddy Bear. Once upon a time, in the enchanting Forest of Whispers, there was a magical talking teddy bear named Theodore. Theodore was not just any ordinary stuffed toy. He possessed a rare gift that allowed him to communicate with all the animals in the forest. Theodore's life began when a kind toymaker, Mr. Pendergast, crafted him with love and care. The toymaker's secret touch infused Theodore with the ability to understand the language of the animals. From the day he came to life, Theodore cherished the conversations he had with his fellow forest dwellers. In the Forest of Whispers, animals of all shapes and sizes coexisted in harmony. The wise old owl, Hoot, was the guardian of knowledge, and he often shared stories of the forest's ancient history with Theodore. The mischievous squirrel, Nutmeg, was always up to some playful antics and made Theodore laugh with his entertaining tales. One day, a lost fawn named Bella stumbled upon Theodore while seeking her way back to her mother. Tearfully, she shared her predicament, and Theodore was quick to offer his assistance. With guidance from the forest's creatures, they embarked on a thrilling adventure through dense thickets and babbling brooks, finally reuniting Bella with her relieved mother. Word of Theodore's unique talent spread through the forest like wildfire. Animals from all corners came to seek his advice, resolving their disputes and misunderstandings. Even the normally reserved and grumpy Mr. Grizzlepaws, the bear who lived atop a hill, sought Theodore's counsel on how to improve his relations with the other animals. As Theodore continued to help and befriend the animals, he noticed a growing sense of unity and understanding among them. Creatures who once regarded each other with caution began sharing meals and playing together. The forest buzzed with laughter, joy, and a newfound harmony. However, one day, a great storm swept through the Forest of Whispers, wreaking havoc on the tranquil abode. The animals were separated from one another, and fear and confusion filled the air. The forest they had known and loved for generations was now an unfamiliar and dangerous place. Amidst the chaos, Theodore emerged as a beacon of hope. With his comforting words and unwavering determination, he encouraged the animals to work together and rebuild their homes. As they joined paws, hooves, and wings, the forest started to regain its former beauty and charm. Theodore's selfless acts and the trust he had earned from the animals led to a remarkable transformation in the forest. The creatures realized that by embracing their differences and communicating openly, they could overcome any adversity that came their way. With the passage of time, the legend of the talking teddy bear spread far beyond the Forest of Whispers. People from neighboring lands came to witness Theodore's magic and learn from the wisdom of the animals. The world outside came to appreciate the importance of compassion, cooperation, and understanding in fostering a peaceful coexistence. And so, the talking teddy bear Theodore continued to weave his magic, bridging gaps between species and bringing love and unity wherever he went. The Forest of Whispers and its inhabitants lived in blissful harmony, forever grateful for the gift of their beloved teddy bear.